So, you're dreaming about buying a house someday soon, and one of the biggest things on your mind? Yep, that down payment. Investing in mutual funds for down payment of your house. In today's video, let's talk about how you can use mutual funds to save for your home's down payment, especially if you have a big few years before you make that big move. Now, let's be real. Saving up a big chunk of money isn't always easy. But here's the good news. You don't have to do it all at once. And your money doesn't have to just sit in a bank account doing nothing. That's where mutual funds come into the picture. If your home goal is still 3 to 5 years away, you've got time to grow your money. But you also want to be careful. This isn't the time to chase high returns. You want a balance between growth and stability. You can look at options like hybrid funds. They mix equity and debt, so there's potential for growth with some cushion. Short-term debt funds. These are more stable and don't react too much to market ups and downs. Or you can do a combo, maybe 60% in debt, 40% equity, if you're comfortable. The trick is to start early, invest regularly. SIP works well here. And as you get closer to buying your home, start moving your money to relatively stable options. Remember, this isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building your down payment. Slowly, steadily, and wisely. So, if buying a house is on your wish list, don't wait. Get your money working for you. If this helped, drop a like, share it with a friend who's house hunting, and hit that subscribe button for more guidance. Catch you next time. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.